Hey Poco fans, this is Manmohan here. I'm here along with Anuj. We are extremely excited here to be talking about the big billion day sales on Flipkart. We are all here to explain why Poco is the best brand of products that you can purchase during this big billion day sales offer.
And to make this math really simple for you, we are bringing Do the Math Diwali 2020 for you here. We'll start with the Poco X3, of course. That's all our favorite phones. So maybe let's look at how Poco X3 makes more sense than anything else out there in its price class. So let me start with the Realme 7 Pro. A lot of talk about this, and of course, this also sits in the 15 to 20,000 rupee price band. So when you're looking at 15 to 20,000 rupees, you're looking at multiple products, and this might come up as one of them. Now, the Poco X3 has a 732G processor, not a 720G. 720G is on the Poco M2 Pro. Now you have a faster processing, better cooling, but not just that, you have better cameras. You have a 13 megapixel ultra wide. You have a bigger battery, right? Bigger battery with a 33 watt MMP. It's a safer charging technology, so you get better battery, and also it charges 26% faster than other 33 watt chargers. And of course, you've got Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Now you get all of those advantages, but to further the advantage, you also have a starting price of 16,999 for the 6GB, 64GB variant. On the Realme 7 Pro, you are starting at 20,000 rupees. So better specs at a better price. What else do you want when you're doing the math?
Right? To continue, we'll take another product, right? Yeah, we are here talking about Samsung M31s. Firstly, let's look at the processor, the Snapdragon 732G. Comparison with Exynos 9611. Sorry guys, Exynos 9611, even the MediaTek G80 is far superior than 9611. The Antutu score pretty much says that out loud. Along with that, the camera part. We are using a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 with a 13 megapixel ultra wide. And not just that, with a 6000 mAh battery, yes, both of them have it, but with a superior faster charging with the MMT technology. And of course, the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on Poco X3 versus the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the Samsung M31. Now let's get to the price. The Diwali price for M31 is 18499. Yes, they have given a discount, but still, the starting variant is 16999, almost a 1500 rupee gap. Now, if I were a smart customer, I would have chosen Poco X3 over anything else there.
Right?
Yeah. Now let's go to the next product.
Yeah, let's look at after M31s, M31. Okay. Again, a 9611. So 9611, then you have the Helio G80, then you have Snapdragon 720G, then you have Snapdragon 732G. It is just too far a gap when it comes to performance. But not just that, again, you are looking at superior cameras, you're looking at faster charging, and of course, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the pricing is almost similar for this massive bump up that you get everywhere else.
True. Now let's move on to the next product. M31 Prime, this is a new product that is going to be launched. The specifications of the product is already out there in the market. As you can see, again the same, one second, sorry, am I missing here something? It looks pretty much the same, right? Exynos 9611, 64 megapixel, okay.
This is M31.
M31 pretty much, right?
Okay,
so we'll just continue to the next product.
But why is this priced higher than that one?
No, I don't have an answer for that.
Okay, let's move
Okay.
on.
Now let's go to Samsung F41, which is again a new product that has been launched by Samsung. Again a 9611, a 64 megapixel triple though here, a 6000 mAh battery, and with a 15 watt charging. Of course, Poco X3 beats hands down, and the 6128 at 15499.
So this looks like the M31 only.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right. So all in all, we can say that there is just one product, which is M31 or M31s or M31 Prime or F41. You can name it whatever you want. But we pretty much, I mean, if it were to be a smart customer, we think that Poco X3 beats all of these products hands down. So not just that, Poco X3 also has a pretty cool offer.
And to make the math even sweeter this big billion day, you have an additional 10% discount when you're using SBI cards. So the Poco X3, a very clear choice if you're looking at 15 to 20,000 rupees.